The holistic way of real hoodoo spirituality. A complete life, not a fragmented one. Peace to the remnant. Today I want to show you something most people never see. The holistic way of real hoodoo spirituality. Not pieces, not fragments, not random teachings. A complete way of living, a whole life, a restored life, a covenant life. When you look across my channel, you'll notice something. I'm not just teaching plants. I'm not just teaching scripture. I'm not just teaching land. I'm not just teaching peace. I'm teaching a full system of life. The same system our ancestors lived before industry, before chemicals, before dependency, before confusion. Real hoodoo spirituality is holistic. It touches the land. It touches the body. It touches the mind. It touches the spirit. It touches the home. It touches the habits. It touches the discipline. It touches the identity. Let me show you how. When I teach about land, I'm teaching stability. When I teach about plants, I'm teaching provision. When I teach about cleansing, I'm teaching holiness. When I teach about peace, I'm teaching order. When I teach about scripture, I'm teaching foundation. When I teach about inheritance, I'm teaching legacy. When I teach about natural hygiene, even down to how to cleanse your private parts, I'm teaching dignity, purity, and self-respect. Nothing is random. Everything is connected. The ancient ones didn't separate life into categories. They didn't say, this is spiritual, but this is physical. They didn't say, this is holy, but this is natural. They lived one integrated life. A life where the land, the body, and the spirit were all under the same covenant. That's why Jeremiah 29 tells us to build houses, plant gardens, raise families, and seek the peace of the land. That's holistic. That's complete. That's real hoodoo. That's why Isaiah 26:3 says, the Most High keeps you in perfect peace when your mind is stayed on Him. That's mental discipline. That's spiritual focus. That's holistic. That's why the law teaches cleansing of the body, cleansing of the garments, cleansing of the home, cleansing of the land. That's hygiene. That's holiness. That's holistic. Real hoodoo spirituality is not a ritual. It's a lifestyle. It's not superstition. It's stewardship. It's not chaos. It's order. It's not reaction. It's discipline. It's not entertainment. It's covenant. When I teach you how to use yucca as soap, I'm teaching you how to cleanse your body without chemicals. When I teach you how to use pine, I'm teaching you how to cleanse your home. When I teach you how to use scripture, I'm teaching you how to cleanse your mind. When I teach you how to live peaceably, I'm teaching you how to cleanse your spirit, body, mind, spirit, land, home, habits, identity. That is the holistic way of real hoodoo spirituality. And the reason this matters is simple. A fragmented life creates a fragmented spirit. A divided life creates a divided mind. A confused life creates a confused identity. But a holistic life, a whole life, creates peace, clarity, strength, and purpose. Real hoodoo is the restoration of the whole person, the whole household, the whole lineage, the whole covenant. This is why the teaching on this channel feel ancient. Because ancient life was integrated. Ancient life was connected. Ancient life was holistic. And the remnant is being called back to that way. So understand this. Every teaching on this channel is part of a larger system. A system of restoration. A system of discipline. A system of peace. A system of natural living. A system of covenant identity. This is the holistic way of real hoodoo spirituality. A complete life. A restored life. A whole life. And the remnant is waking up to it.